Hey, there's people there.
That's a good start, good sign.
So we're gonna go check out the Old Iron Club's event that they do every year.
Old tractors and stuff.
Yeah. Should be pretty cool. Yay! Yay!
I like the smell.
I know, I was just gonna say that. Oh my gosh.
77, you think it's a race tractor?
Probably, I don't know.
Maybe
It's so loud right now. Oh, there's little birds under it. This is so cool. I wonder if the trailers are going to get hooked up, and I'd love to see the little parade of all the tractors. That is so cool. What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool.
Well, everybody's getting all lined up to go. This is so cool. Thumbs up, you guys, for coolness. This is it. I wish I could introduce everybody.
Here we have a beautiful example of the amount of love these gentlemen put into these machines.
Yes.
Senior massive pairs. I guess that's the only information I can get off this.
Yeah.
Always love a John Deere. Big, beautiful, and always John Deere colors. We have another beautiful example of a John Deere tractor. Looking very loved up, and I love his hat. Classic case. Now here's a nice stable machine. Good wide tires on the back, nice spacing on the front, bright orange. Beautiful gray monster here. Can't see a name on this one. Looks very loved up. Oh, it's a Ford.
There we are.
It's nice to see a Ford last that long. Here we have an Oliver Standard, number 77. I understand he's going to be in the race tonight. Actually, I don't even know if there is a race tonight, but I'm just trying to make some commentary here.
JT, you're
so
amazing.
Here we have a nice old machine. Look at this. It's a Farmall. McCormick Farmall. Very interesting piece of machinery. Nice setup. All engines and gas tank, that one. That was built to do a job. And here we have one, looks like it's on the restoration projects. I'm guessing it's another John Deere by those amazing colors. Good steady heartbeat in that beast. That was a great little parade.
Oh, we've got our closing truck too.
And here we have the people who put it all together. Moffat Farms and the Strathclair Old Iron Club. Little events that bring our town back to life.
Go on, look at the poor tractor. It's not allowed to be in the parade.
It's not old iron. It's new fiberglass and stuff.
Oh. This is the Strathclair Old Iron Club, and I hope you enjoyed the parade. And please feel free to tag the people if you know who they are, and share it on Facebook so that people can see their tractors in the parade. And yeah, we'll see you next time we're out and about in town. All right, bye.